Can I see the plug?
This
There's
is
something
plug.
that I always look at.
There's one thing she wants to see. Can y'all guess what it is? Can my titas and titos guess what she's looking for?
The voltage. Because I want to bring it back with me.
To the Philippines.
Yes. I don't think there's one like this. I don't think so. I'll be the first one.
My mother is a certified Tita of Manila. Tita of Manila minsan nasa States. Actually, no. Tita of the States minsan sa Manila. Let me see. The voltage is, mother,
What?
100 to 40.
Oh my God!
So she'll be getting every color. No, she'll be having one purple here and one purple there. In conclusion, if you want to make your Asian mom happy,